Good day, everyone. In this video, you will learn how to update your iPhone to the iOS 18.7.3 version and also how to check if this update is available for your iPhone or not. I am currently using an iPhone XS Max, and I will check whether the iOS 18.7.3 update is available on this device. First, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, just below the battery option, you will see General. Tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Now, wait for a few moments while your iPhone checks for updates. As you can see, the iOS 18.7.3 update is available. The update size is around 4.31 gigabytes. This update includes many improvements, especially related to the camera, lock screen photos, wallet, CarPlay, and several other features. If you want more details about this update, you can also visit the official Apple website at software.apple.com to read more information. This is how you can update your iPhone to iOS 18.7.3. Please subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.